Hi, my name is Miss Priester, and I am the Instructional Technology Resource Teacher at Manassas Park High School and Middle School. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with WeVideo. In your Chrome browser, go to www.wevideo.com and it will take you to this page. Here you will click on the G and sign in with your Google account. Click on your school Google account, and then you will have the dashboard. This is the area where you will first come in and see everything that you have done in WeVideo. If this is your first time using WeVideo, you may not have any videos under recent edits, and that's okay. As you begin to use WeVideo and create videos, you will see the ones that you have recently worked on. Up at the top, you also have some options. You have create a new edit, and it says blank edit underneath it. This is the one that you most likely will be using, and you will be creating videos from scratch. Your teacher may also ask you to choose from a template, and then the templates are set up with backgrounds and music and different transitions already, and this may be what your teacher wants you to do instead. When you want to see finished videos, you can click on the Videos tab up at the top. This is what the edit mode of WeVideo looks like. So let me explain some of these tabs. First, actually, let me start with the tracks over here. This is where you can add video and audio. So anything that has a video label on it, this is where you can put pictures and videos. Anything that has an audio on it, this is where you can put music. And you can also add your own voiceovers, and that will actually be added on as a track. So I'll go over those a little bit more here in a second. Let me show you some of the tabs up here at the top. The first tab is actually the library. This is where you can search for videos or pictures or really anything that's inside of WeVideo. So let's say I am going to look up space. So now it shows me all of the different videos and pictures that it has on space. It shows me up here in the corner how long this is. So this is 12 seconds long, this one. If I click on it, it will preview it for me over here in the larger viewing window. And I can pause that, and I could always pick another one. I can also use the filtering features up here. So maybe I just want to find images. So I can do that and then just find a picture instead. If I wanted to use this, I can then drag it down to the track that I want to use it on. You can see that I can just add in anything that I'm looking for. So even if I'm doing videos, I can just drag the videos to either one of the tracks. My next tab at the top is my media tab. This is where I can import my own pictures and videos. Of course, you want to make sure that it's copyright free, that we have permission to use that. And we'll explain a little bit more about that later. Here I can upload. So if I click on the green cloud, I can go and find anything that I have saved on my computer. The red dot allows me to record my screen or use the web camera. And then the microphone allows me to do voiceovers. So I could click on the microphone right here, and when I'm done, I'll have a green arrow here or a green check mark here, and I can click on that and it will add my voice over to the list of tracks. The next tab gives me different titles. I can also find credits. There's all kinds of different ones here. Some of them are labeled with motion. So that means that they will move and have different animation. Or you have just basic that comes up with no animation. The next one is music. So I can go through and scroll and find different music that they have in the library. I also have transitions. So once again, I can click on it and see how that transition would work. The last one I have is backgrounds. I can click on these as well and see what these look like. One of the really cool things about WeVideo is I can put in a background And then I could put in a title on top of it. So I have to make sure that these are on 2 different tracks. And when I play them together, I can have my title on top of my background. When I want to edit the text, I can double click on it and then be able to go in and add in any of the text that I want and change the colors. I can even change the font and the size. Right now it's on auto, so if I wanted to change this, I can click on manual and change the size. And when I'm done, click done editing. Going back to the library for a second, they also have some really cool backgrounds that you don't see on the backgrounds tab. Well, let's say maybe I'm looking for something with glitter. I could pull up glitter, and here's a good one. So that's a good background. So there's lots of other things too. If you wanted to look for other backgrounds besides what you see on the background tab. You also have themes, and this is something that you need to have something already on your tracks before you can add the theme to it. So this one's Icy Blast. This will already have music and transitions put in for me, and then it will add it to what I have as well. And then I can just click use this theme if I wanted to use that, or click out of it if I don't want to use it. The last thing you need to know is when you're finished with your video, you will need to click on the Finish tab and then create a title for your video. And then click Set. Choose the quality, either one is fine. And then you're going to want to click on the Google Drive icon. You'll click on this for the first time. If you've never done this before, you will need to choose your school account and then click Allow. When you click Finish, it will process the video and then add a WeVideo folder to your Google Drive account. And inside that account will be your video. Thank you for watching this introduction to WeVideo.